everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ready to dive into the world of nutrient-dense vegetables? Don't worry, no vegetables were harmed in the making of this video. As Francois de la Rochefoucauld once said, to eat is a necessity, but to eat intelligently is an art. Choosing the right vegetables is a crucial part of that art. We're about to explore 14 nutrient-dense vegetables that can transform your health. Whether you're a veggie enthusiast or just starting to incorporate more greens into your diet, this video is for you. Get ready to learn about their incredible benefits and simple ways to prepare them. Let's get started. First up, we have a true superstar spinach. This leafy green is like the superhero of the vegetable kingdom. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals, including iron, calcium, and magnesium. Spinach is also a fantastic source of antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage. Next, let's talk about carrots. We all know they're good for our eyes, but did you know they offer a whole lot more? Carrots are bursting with beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Plus, carrots are a good source of fiber, which is great for digestion and keeping you feeling full. Now let's move on to broccoli, those little green trees that pack a nutritional punch. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin C and K. Vitamin C boosts our immunity, while vitamin K is essential for healthy blood clotting and strong bones. Broccoli also contains folate and manganese, crucial for cell growth and metabolism. Chapter 4. Garlic, the flavorful healer. Garlic. Oh, garlic. Not just a flavor enhancer, garlic has been recognized for its medicinal properties for centuries. It contains allicin, which has potent antibacterial and antiviral properties, and can help lower blood pressure and reduce bad cholesterol levels. Chapter 5. Brussels sprouts. Don't judge a sprout by its cover. Next up, we have Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are packed with fiber, which is great for digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. They're also a good source of vitamins K and C, folate, and potassium. Chapter 6. Kale, the queen of greens. Kale, often hailed as a superfood, truly lives up to its name. It's brimming with vitamins A, K, C, and B6, as well as calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Kale is also a great source of antioxidants, protecting against chronic diseases. Chapter 7. Green peas, small but mighty. Don't underestimate the power of green peas. These little green gems are packed with nutrients. They're a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and protein, making them a satisfying and nutritious addition to any meal. Chapter 8. Swiss chard, a rainbow of nutrients. Let's move on to Swiss chard, a leafy green with vibrant stalks that add a pop of color to any plate. Swiss chard is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and a good source of magnesium and iron. Its slightly bitter flavor pairs well with lemon juice, garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil. Chapter 9. Ginger, the soothing spice. Ginger is well known for its ability to soothe an upset stomach, but this powerful root offers a wide range of health benefits. It contains gingerol, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Asparagus, with its unique flavor and tender texture, is a true springtime treat. Beyond its delicious taste, asparagus is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as fiber and folate. Asparagus is also a good source of antioxidants, promoting overall health. Red cabbage isn't just a pretty face. Its vibrant color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Red cabbage is also high in vitamins C and K, and it contains a good amount of fiber. Chapter 12. Sweet potatoes, the sweet source of nutrition. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They're rich in beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of vitamins C and B6, as well as potassium. Chapter 13. Collard greens, the southern staple. Collard greens, a staple in southern cuisine, are a nutritional powerhouse, high in vitamins A, C, and K, and a good source of calcium. Enjoy them steamed, sautéed, or added to soups and stews. Chapter 14. Beets, the blood pressure manager. These vibrant root vegetables are packed with essential nutrients, including folate, manganese, and potassium. Beets are also known for their nitrates, which help relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From boosting your immunity to improving your heart health, these 14 nutrient-dense vegetables are true game changers. Remember, incorporating these vegetables into your diet can lead to a healthier, happier you. Experiment with different cooking methods and try new recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.